Short press to turn the massage chair on. 6 auto modes to choose. Relax mode, ease tension and stress, promoting a state of deep relaxation. Neck mode, focus on your shoulders and neck to relieve tension using a combination of kneading and shiatsu techniques. Waist mode, target the waist area to relieve tension and discomfort, offering focused relaxation. Strong mode, deliver a robust and intense massage, perfect for those seeking deep muscle relief. Aged mode, designed for elderly individuals, providing gentle movements to ease muscle stiffness. Sleep mode, promote deep relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and enjoy a peaceful rest. In sleep mode, the massage chair will hold the position at the end of massage for you to have a better rest. Short press to adjust the massage session duration, 5 minutes will be added with each press. Independent massage roller switch for upper back. Independent massage roller switch for lumbar back. Increase or decrease the massage speed of the rollers. Turn on or off the waist and calf heating function. Make the chair into the zero gravity mode. Turn the foot rollers on or off. Adjust the massage intensity of foot rollers. Adjust the backrest up or down. Click your auto button to adjust all airbags to work automatically. Shoulder airbag switch. Arm airbag switch. Hips airbag switch. Calves airbag switch. Adjust the intensity of the airbag.